To sync audio of different clips in DaVinci Resolve is super easy. You just want to drag and drop both clips into your timeline. Of course, make sure both of them have audio. You can see here the top one is recorded from my phone. The bottom one is a screen recording. They both have audio. I'm going to highlight both of these tracks, right click on them, and then scroll up to where it says auto align clips. This is about halfway through. You can choose to auto align them by time code, but I find waveform is so much easier. And then simply select on sync. Depending on how big your file is, it might take a couple of seconds, and it is that easy. What I would then recommend is going through and deleting the audio recording that you don't want, just so you are left with the good audio. And it's that easy to sync your audio in DaVinci Resolve. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge where's your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time.